Alright, you are welcome back. So in this video we are looking at conjugate surds, right? And we are told that two surds are said to be conjugate of each other if their product give rise to a rational number. So from our knowledge of difference of two squared, is more of conjugate is just negating a particular surd, right? That's just what it means. Difference of two squares, right? Is what basically what we refer to when we talk about conjugate. So now let's look at this is the normal difference of two squares, right? Where if we multiply a plus b with a minus b, you have difference of two squares. So this is a minus b is a conjugate of a plus b. That's what conjugate is talking about. So forget the big English. Is just the negation of the original. That is what it means. So but then we are talking about surds now. So looking at this is looking at this now, looking at what we have here. This is the conjugate of this, right? And this is the conjugate. This is the conjugate of this. So taking it, you discover that we have square. If we multiply this is what we get. But then this is square. So this is equivalent to saying a to the power of 2 2 minus b 2 over 2, right? That's what we have, a minus b, because 2 over 2 is 1, 2 over 2 is 1, so it's a minus b. So that is what it means. So where a these are not rational, but their product is rational, this a minus b is a rational number. So example here, we have to write down the conjugate of each of the following: conjugate of this and conjugate of this. Remember I told you conjugate is just to negate the number in the middle. So if we have square root of 3 minus square root of 2, conjugate of this will be square root of 3 plus square root of 2, square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So and then you have 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Conjugate will be what? 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. So that's the conjugate. So here we are to simplify this to, let's do the simplification. We have to simplify 3 root 2 minus 1 multiplying 3 root 2 plus 1. So that is conjugate. So what we are going to have here is 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1, right? Then minus 1 into 3 root 2 plus 1. So which means we are going to be having this multiplying this, which is 3 squared, then we have 2 over 2. So this is what we have, really. This is what we have. Then plus 3 root 2, right? This is this multiplying this. Then we have minus 3 root 2 minus 1. So what do we have here? What we have here is 9 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to 18 minus 1, which is equal to 17. I hope you understand that. So don't be confused with what we have here. Don't be confused with what we have here. It's just saying we have 3 root 2 squared. That is what it means. So if this is what we have, then this 3 we have that square, which is 9. Then we have root 2 squared. And root 2 squared is the same thing as 9 into 2 1 over 2 multiplying power 2, right? So these 2 will go with these 2, and then what we have is 18, and this is minus 1 equal to 17. So that is the mass that we have there. So let's look at the second question. The B, we are to multiply 7 root 2 plus root 3 with 7 root 2 minus root 3, right? So this is going to be multiplying this times this. Now this is 7 root 2 squared, then this is going to be minus root 3 times 7 root 2 plus root 3 times 7 root 2. This times this, then this times this, then this will be minus root 3 squared. So what do we have here? This is going to be 49. 49 multiplying 2, because this is going to cancel this. Remember, okay, let me write it this way. Remember, I said this is the same thing as saying 2 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplying 2. Then this, now this will go with this, because this is negative positive, so we'll have the last part to be 3 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplying 2, and power of 2, right? That is power of a power. So this is 49 multiplying 2, then this is minus 3, right? So 49 times 2 is 98, minus 3, what you have is what? 95. So you have 95. So that is the answer, and this is the solution to these two conjugate problems. So in our next video, we are going to be looking at rationalizing the denominator in Surds, how to rationalize the denominator. Please like this video. You could share it with friends as well, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.